Application: universal for trucks, trailers under 80, tractors, semi-trailer, dump truck, bus, boat, camper, special vehicle etc. Super bright LED lights provide maximum visibility and safety. Fully operable in inclement weather, these heavy-duty trailer lights are tough and durable for the long term. Left and right LED trailer tail lights have 6 functions in common: stop, turn, tail, rear reflector, side marker light. One additional function for left trailer light, license plate light. The trailer LED lights are suitable for under 80-inch width towing vehicle, like boat, trailer, truck, snowmobile etc. Excellent waterproof, submersible lights for trailer. Sonic Welding Whole Sealing Technology ensures sealing solidity of the LED tail lights. Furthermore, every possible gap is sealed well with glue, such as wires' entrance holes and edge of the lens. 18-gauge pure copper wires ensure trailer lights LED do good job underwater. Easy to install the submersible trailer lights. 2 optional mounting ways: you can mount on the back or the side of the trailer. Please make sure connect wiring and no electronic short before marine underwater. Wiring diagram ships with trailer lights, you can also find it on detail page. Buy with confidence. Any other problem, please feel free to contact us, we are always here to satisfy you. Top reviews from the United States. Much better than the old incandescent style. And they're bright. Had to file to get them to fit right, but love these so much better than the original ones.